So today we have this Ozark Trail outdoor equipment 7-inch folding knife. It has a stainless steel rubberized handle and bearing assistant open. So let's check this guy out. So it's got a cover for the knife. It's pretty sharp. I like the design though. It's really nice. I like how you could grip it. It has a clip, which obviously you know guys that I like, and has a hole for a lanyard. Let's see how fast and easy it is to open it. That's nice and fast to open it. So let's see, does it have where is it made? Let's check this guy out. And it's from Walmart. It's about $5. It doesn't say made in China. So yeah, most of these things are made in China, most of these knives. But let's check out how sharp it is with this carpenter's pencil. I will try it with another knife. Yeah, so it's pretty sharp for wood, for cutting wood. That's pretty nice. So I do like it. Like I said, it's about $5 at Walmart. And check them out. Check them out at Walmart. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.